So right now it's about...
Oh, here, hold on. Let me get the brightness up. Ready? There.
Oh. It should literally come from right over there.
Come right above.
30 seconds.
It'll come right up above the phone.
That's so cool. Look at all the people in the chat. Look at that.
T-minus 15 seconds.
20 seconds?
Imagine being... How many miles are we from the base? Not even like...
10 miles. 10 miles. We can go watch it if you want. Like very close.
3, 2, 1.
There it goes.
Alright, well, watch the sky. Go ahead. The sky's lighting up. See it? It's lighting up. See it?
Yo.
It's getting bright as shit. Look. It's getting bright as fuck right now.
Oh, there it goes. Oh, you can feel it.
Can you?
Yeah,
I
did you
can't.
feel that?
Oh, there. Look. There it goes.
I bet the fucking fish in the water are like, yo.
It always takes the same route. Perfect, too.
It always goes up and around, huh?
Yeah, right above this tree. And then it has a drop. It'll drop like off something into the water, depending on what it is. I don't know what this launch is.
It's a Falcon 9.
I don't know if it's a, is it?
Oh, it's going on the stream. Dude, look at that shit.
Get eaten by a gator.
Yeah, don't get too close to the water. The gators will get you. Yo.
Look at it with your eyes, though. It's so much better.
I know, it's crazy.
The video doesn't fucking.
It doesn't capture the moment the same, but
We'll go over towards her yard.
yeah. Yeah, you can just feel it. Don't you feel it like rumble? Gone. Like that.
No, keep it open. Watch. Hold on. It has the bottom part that's gonna come out. Watch, ready?
Oh yeah, right there.
That's gonna fall. That'll fall to the ground.
So it's like separating
that-
right now. It's like all the way right there.
That should drop. I think that drops to the ground. Because I don't see anything else. I think that drops and then it goes. Look, feel that. That's so crazy.
Yeah, you just like feel it. It's going. Yo,
Crazy, isn't it?
that's crazy. Well, you can just feel everything shake. I'm surprised Joe doesn't fucking wake up. Should tell the chat you're watching it from Florida. Still, you still feel like the vibrations in the air. It just breaks away. That's crazy, yeah.
Still going. Look at that. takes the same exact route every fucking time. Like you could literally hold up.
It's
a
more
ruler-
visible now than it was last time.
You could hold a ruler up and it would literally just be the same exact trajectory every single time. It's pretty fucking amazing.
And right
how
now
they
it's
do it.
in like it's up there. You still see like the
You see
smoke.
it over there, look, you can still see it. Go to the left. Right, you can still see it.
It just looks like a star. Yeah, unclip it. I'll help you then. Oh, successful. At least it didn't blow up.